If you've been using AI for a while but still feel like you're not getting the results you want, the problem might not be the tool. It might be the way you're using it. Most people never move beyond typing a basic question and hoping AI gives them a useful answer. But there's a completely different level of AI use that most beginners never discover. And today, I'm showing you 7 techniques that can take you from simply using AI to actually getting much better results from it. Welcome back to the AI Edge, your unfair advantage in the age of AI. If you want to get dramatically better results from almost any AI tool, save this video because these techniques can change the way you use AI starting today. Let's get into it. Technique number 1. Give AI a specific role. Instead of simply asking AI a question, tell it who you want it to be. For example, you are an experienced marketing consultant who specializes in helping small businesses grow on social media. Now help me write a caption for my latest YouTube video. See the difference? You're not just asking for a caption, you're giving AI a specific perspective and area of expertise to work from. And that usually leads to a much more focused response than simply saying, "Write me a caption." You can make this even more specific by adding the type of audience you're targeting, the goal of the content, and the tone you want. Try assigning a role in your very next AI conversation and see how different the response feels. Now here's another technique that can make an even bigger difference. Technique number 2, give AI context before asking your question. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is jumping straight to the request. But AI doesn't automatically know who you are, what you're working on, what you've already tried, or what result you're looking for. So give it the missing information first. For example, I run a faceless YouTube channel about AI tools. My audience is mainly beginners between 25 and 45 who want to learn how to use AI and make money online. I upload 3 videos a week, and I'm currently trying to reach my first 1,000 subscribers. Now suggest 5 video topics for next week. That's a completely different request from simply saying, "Give me 5 YouTube ideas." The more relevant context you provide, the more personalized the response can become. And you don't need to write a huge paragraph. Just give AI your situation, your goal, and any important limitations. Next up is one of my favorites. Technique number 3. Use examples to teach AI what you want. Sometimes explaining what you want isn't enough. Instead, show AI an example. This is often called few-shot prompting. For example, instead of saying, "Write me a YouTube hook," you could give AI 1 or 2 hooks you really like and say, "These are examples of the style I want." Study their tone, structure, and pacing, then create 5 new hooks using the same principles. Now AI has something concrete to work with. It can pick up patterns in your examples such as your tone, sentence structure, level of detail, and style. This is especially useful for writing. So if you're trying to create content that sounds consistent across your videos, give AI examples instead of relying entirely on descriptions. Here's a technique that can instantly improve your first drafts. Technique number 4, ask AI to critique and improve its own answer. Don't automatically accept the first response you get. After AI gives you an answer, try saying, "Now critique that answer. Identify its weaknesses, explain what could be improved, and then give me a stronger version." You can even make it more specific. For example, check the response for accuracy, clarity, repetition, and anything that sounds generic. Then rewrite it. This creates a simple quality control loop. Instead of treating the first answer as the final answer, you're using AI to review, improve, and refine its own work. Think of it as getting a first draft, followed by an editor. And speaking of better results, here's another important one. Technique number 5. Break complex tasks into smaller steps. A common mistake is asking AI to do everything at once. For example, create a complete business plan, marketing strategy, social media calendar, sales funnel, and email campaign for my business. You might get a huge response, but huge doesn't always mean useful. Instead, break the task down. First, ask AI to create the outline. Then work on one section at a time. Next, ask it to identify weaknesses, then refine the language, improve the strategy, or adapt it for your target audience. You stay in control of the direction, and each step gives AI a clearer job to perform. So instead of asking AI to do everything at once, think, One task, one goal, one step at a time. Now let's move from getting better answers to getting better thinking. Technique number 6, make AI challenge your ideas. Most people use AI to confirm what they already think, but AI can be much more useful when you ask it to disagree with you. Let's say you have a business idea, a YouTube idea, or a plan you're considering. Instead of asking, "Is this a good idea?" Try this. Challenge this idea as strongly as you can. What could go wrong? What am I missing? What assumptions am I making? And what would a skeptic say? Now you're using AI as a thinking partner instead of an agreement machine. It can help you identify blind spots, weak assumptions, potential risks, and questions you haven't considered. And that can be incredibly valuable before you spend time or money putting an idea into action. Finally, we have technique number 7, and this one can save you a ridiculous amount of time. Create reusable master prompts. Think about the tasks you ask AI to do repeatedly. Maybe you write YouTube scripts. Maybe you create social media captions. Maybe you write emails. Maybe you research topics. Instead of creating a brand new prompt every single time, create one reusable template. Your master prompt can include the role you want AI to take, your usual context, your preferred tone, the type of audience you're targeting, and exactly how you want the final answer formatted. Then save it somewhere convenient, like a Notes app, Google Docs, or Notion. The next time you need that task done, open your template, replace the specific details, and paste it into your AI tool. Now you're not starting from zero every time. You're building your own personal AI workflow. And that's a major difference between casually using AI and actually becoming good at it. So let's recap. Give AI a specific role, give it context, use examples, ask it to critique and improve. Break complex tasks into smaller steps, make it challenge your ideas, and create reusable master prompts. 7 techniques, and you can start using every one of them today with many of the AI tools you already have access to. Remember, becoming better at AI isn't necessarily about finding the newest tool. It's about learning how to communicate with the tools you already have. So pick just one of these techniques and use it in your very next AI conversation. Then come back and tell me in the comments which one made the biggest difference for you. And if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the AI Edge, and I'll see you in the next one.